2025 has truly been an unforgettable year for Superhairpieces, a year full of growth, connections, and incredible love from everyone we met. We kicked things off internationally with two major shows in Europe, one very first European event with ANKO, followed by an amazing second showcase with HSBM. Both events welcomed huge crowds, and we were blown away by how many people came to see us, try our systems, and share their hair journeys with us. In Canada, we made our mark at ESI Toronto, Montreal, and Calgary, as well as one women's show and our Barber show. For the ESI and Women's Show, we teamed up with Gen Z Beauty to bring hair beauty together under one roof, and the response was incredible. We had thousands of visitors stop by, asked us questions, even tried our pieces, and showed us so much support. One major highlight of the year, the Ghost Bond Bonded for Life rebrand launch party, where we sponsored the event with our hair systems, sending HD 111 Color 4 Ash and HD 111 1B for the big reveal. The reactions were amazing, and it was a moment that reminded us why we love what we do. 2025 reminded us of one thing: people believe in Superhairpieces, and we keep growing faster than ever. So for 2026, our goal is clear. We're gonna show up in even more cities, connect with even more people worldwide, bring innovation to the hair system industry, and we will continue inspiring confidence, one transformation at a time. So thank you to every single person who visited us, supported us, and believed in us this year. So 2025 was amazing, but 2026 is going to be even bigger. So we'll see you at the next show.